Hello and welcome to the pilot episode of Time to Code with me, your host, Greg Owens. Today we're going to be discussing what to expect in this video series, how to expect it, and when to expect. So let's go ahead and get right into this. We're going to start with what to expect. So we're going to be doing some project videos where we have a goal that we're attempting to achieve with the project. There'll be detailed explanations throughout the video of how we're doing what we're doing and why we're doing what we're doing. You'll see the entire project from start to finish throughout a series of videos, so you'll be able to see blank code all the way to the finished product. And we're going to be doing this in multiple different languages, including C#, JavaScript, HTML, PHP, and CSS. We're going to have question and answer videos where we actually answer community questions that are posed to us from Facebook and YouTube. We're going to be taking community polls where we ask you guys what your opinion is on current events and current topics inside the technical industry. We're going to be having debates with guests that come on and discussing topics and events that are currently going on in their fields. We'll have some informational videos where we provide you with factual information that we collect from reputable sources, and we'll actually provide you the white paper at the end of that. We'll discuss current topics. We'll give you the details, developments, and information as we can get it and provide it to you. We'll play a game called Technical Fact and Fiction, where we go over current facts that some people believe to not be true and some fictitious things that people believe to be true. And then we'll talk about the technical world of tomorrow, where we talk about progression of current technology, things that are currently coming out, and how they're going to impact the technology of tomorrow and what we can expect in the world of tomorrow. So let's go ahead and talk about how to expect it. This will be how we're providing the information to you, what to expect you can see. We'll have a lot of integrated development environments, code editors, and debugging applications that we use throughout the process. We will be using Visual Studio 2017, which is a Windows-provided integrated development environment for C# and C++ is what we're going to be using those for, or that for, sorry. We have Eclipse, which is also an integrated development environment, open source integrated development environment that we're going to be using for Java. We're going to be using Notepad++ as our code editor, which will provide us with PHP, CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. And then we'll be using Google Chrome for our primary web browser and web debugging. This will allow us to debug all of our PHP, HTML, and JavaScript, as well as CSS. We'll be using Socket Test 3, which is a TCP client/server that allows us to test our socket and TCP connections as we create them. We'll be using the Advanced REST Client, or ARC for short, which is a RESTful API client that allows us to post to our web servers. So when to expect all of this? Well, we're going to be providing as much as we can on demand. So as relevant questions are asked on, again, our YouTube and Facebook, we're going to be answering them as much as possible. When good projects are proposed to us on our YouTube or Facebook by the community that we believe are relevant and would provide educational purposes, then we'll go ahead and try to do those as much as we can. And then when we see a need arise inside of the technical industry or inside of the community that needs to be addressed, we'll try to do videos as much as we can on those. We're going to continue our projects to the utmost, and we're going to create fake deadlines. We're actually going to try to meet fake deadlines. And because of this, we're going to talk about scope creep throughout the project in multiple different phases of our process and how we can avoid it and how it can sneak up on us. And then we're going to talk about project overwhelm, how to avoid it, and how to keep yourself on track to meet those deadlines. Obviously, our show is based on expansion with participation, so as you guys participate, we'll be able to bring in new hosts, give you more information on different views, different takes, different angles. We'll bring in more guests that are in specialized fields and discuss more specialized topics and events that are going on inside of our world. As we get more funding, we'll be able to provide better events, giveaways, better hosting in general, and better visual enhancements because we'll have more time and money to put into it for you, which will in the end give you a better experience and give us a better experience with interacting with you as a community and allow us to get you the information that you need when you need it. So we really appreciate your support and we look forward to growing and learning with you in the future. This is Greg signing off.